Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI RTX 5070 Gaming Duke graphics card. So friend, MSI unveiled the new Gaming Duke series. So friend, the another GPU series of RTX 50 lineup. So friend, MSI had launched two cards, both RTX 5070 model offer a without factory overclocking. The 5070 OC model comes with 2752 MHz boost clock and non-OC model has 2527 MHz boost clock, and both cards include some level of overclocking and achieved through MSI Center software, and these clocks are covered under warranty. So friend, the new model is a triple fan and almost perfect dual slot design. The card is a 32.5 centimeter long and comes with 16-pin power connector. Under the hood, the GB205 GPU with 6144 CUDA cores and 12 GB GDDR7 memory. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.